Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about hibiscus drink for burning fat. Now these are dried hibiscus leaves, roselle leaves, or zobo leaves as they are popularly known. These are a powerhouse of amazing health benefits. For the purpose of this video, we'll be focusing on hibiscus for burning fat. Now, this plant contains anthocyanins, phenolic compounds, flavonoids, which help to regulate the genes involved in fat digestion. Now, these substances help to manage fat cell hypertrophy by reducing the size of the fat cells. Zobo leaves have been found to reduce the body's absorption of glucose and fat by reducing the level of the enzyme amylase. You can enjoy zobo drink with a variety of meal any time of the day. As you can see here, I was enjoying mine with some barbecue fish. So guys, to start, we're going to rinse our zobo leaves thoroughly to get rid of any debris and sand. You can repeat the process of rinsing for as many times as you deem possible or necessary. Now combine the zobo leaves with some water in the pot. I used some melon peels, some watermelon peels, some dates. These are seedless, so if yours comes with seed, ensure to remove them. Next, we're going to be adding some gingers in chunks. If you like, you can grate them. Next, some pineapple peels and some of the flesh in it as well. So guys, imagine all these sweet flavors from the fruit infusing into the zobo while you boil it. So there's absolutely no need for you to add any sugar of any sort, because this is going to come out really sweet and yummy. Make sure you boil this for about 30 to 45 minutes and bring it down and sieve it. Make sure you extract all the juice from the fruits and the zobo leaves and squeeze it dry. You can repeat the process like 2 times to make sure that your zobo drink is thoroughly sieved. And after this, while it's still hot, we're going to be adding a teaspoon of vanilla. This is absolutely optional, and some cinnamon powder. So we're gonna give this a really good stir, carefully of course. So guys, as you can see, you're gonna be, imagine when you refrigerate this and it's all chilly and yummy. This is so natural, and this is going to be healing your body. It has so many other benefits on the kind of cardiovascular system, and it helps with hormonal balance and all that. It has so many amazing benefits from your head to your toe, guys. But I'm just focusing on, burning fats for the purpose of this video. So this is really a very healthy drink for the full family, and you can have fun with it. As you can see here, I'm trying to make out Zobo cubes that will really just make it cool and fun for the kids and the full family. So guys, let's be intentional about what we put in our stomach. Majority of these refined juices we find in the grocery stores have seriously high amounts of added sugars, and this is not healthy. But you can take this is really natural. This has no added sugar in it. This is really good for you, good for your health, and healing your body while you're enjoying it. It's really nice, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.